Hi everybody, welcome to You Can Too Math. Today we're going to find the surface area of a cone, like an ice cream cone, which personally I love. I love ice cream so much. In fact, I love it. I could probably eat a whole half gallon right now, but that's for another day. Okay, let's get started, guys. All right, today we have three examples to find the surface area of a cone. So hopefully you watched the other video already about surface area of pyramids. It's the same formula. So surface area equals 1/2 of the perimeter of the base times the slant height plus the area of the base. Now, because we have a cone instead of a pyramid, some of the functions within that equation are just going to look a little bit different. So let's do an example. The perimeter of the base is the distance around the base. And because the base is a circle, that is now going to become, for the distance around a circle is the circumference, and that is 2 pi r. Now, slant height, now that one stays the same. Slant height of a pyramid is the same as the slant height of a cone, and so we're just going to leave that as that cursive L for slant height, plus the area of the base. Now, since the base is a circle, the area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, so awesome. So now from there, we can kind of condense this a little bit just because a half a 2 right here in the beginning, a half a 2 is just 1, and 1 times pi r is just pi r. So I'm going to rewrite this formula for surface area of a cone to say pi r L plus pi r squared. All right, so now let's go ahead and plug in for some of our variables. Pi stays the same. Our radius, or all of our variables, our radius in this problem is 3. So 3 times the slant height is 11.4 plus pi 3 squared. I always recommend for you to leave pi till the very end. That way you do not have any type of a rounding error or anything like that. So what I would like you to do is do 3 times 11.4, which is 34.2, and I want you just to leave the pi on with it. Plus 3 squared is 9, so that would be 9 pi. Now from there, still leaving pi, right? We have 34.2 pi, and we have 9 pi. So how many pi do we have total? Well, we have 43.2 pi. Okay, this is really important that you do that. Now, last step, multiply 43.2 times pi, and you get 135. And let's round to the nearest hundredth, so it would be 72 meters squared. And there's your final answer. All right, 2 more to go. Here is example number 2. Let's start off with that formula. Surface area is, and it is pi r L plus pi r squared. Awesome. All right, so pi, now the radius for this problem is going to be 2, right? Because the diameter is 4, so the radius is going to be half of that, which would be 2. So pi times 2 times 6.3 for our slant height plus pi 2 squared. All right, so we have 6.3 times 2, which gives us 12.6 pi plus 4 pi, which now we have 16.6 pi, and then we can multiply 16.6. And for these examples, I just typed in the pi symbol in the calculator, and it gave me 52.15 inches squared. And so as you're doing this, if you have that pi symbol in your calculator, I recommend using that because your calculator is calculating more digits past the 0.14. 3.14, your calculator is continuing on with that, which will give you a more accurate answer. All right, so we only have one more example, and this one is for you. So I'd like you to pause this video right now, try this one on your own, and then press play when you are ready. Okay, welcome back. Let's see. Surface area is pi RL plus pi R squared. And let's see, did you do a radius of 7? You did. Yeah, you did. And then 15.7 plus pi 7 squared. Good so far? Okay. So then I'm hoping that you did 7 times 15.7, which is 109.9 pi, plus 49 pi with that 7 squared. Add those together, we have 158.9 pi for a grand total of 499.2 miles squared. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson on the surface area of a cone, and thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And then until next time, see you guys.